Hey there, it's Jenny with Ugly Gloss and Company, and I am here to show you how I like to use hot glue in my silicone molds. I am one of those instant gratification kind of gals, and I don't like to spend a lot of money, so I decided to try hot glue in my silicone molds. And it works so good. I used to only do it for my sample boards, but now I do it for so many projects. I use a Sure Bonder, high heat, high temp glue gun. It has a nice point on it so I can get into all the little decorative edges that are on the IOD molds. And when they come out so nice. Sometimes I get air bubbles, but to me that just adds some character. And then I glue it on with Titebond Quick and Thick again. And then within a few minutes, I can paint this and be done with it. Like, so fast, so economical. What do you think? Have you ever tried hot glue in your silicone molds? Let me know what you think. I'm sure there's going to be some hater out there, and that's okay. This is just another option for you. There's resin, there's air dry clay, modeling clay. Add hot glue to that list. I mean, look at this. Look at this. You can't even tell. I'm going to link to all the stuff in the description. Go try it.